The sun beat down on the dusty plains of Egypt. Pharaoh Ramses, his face hard as granite, surveyed his kingdom. He had refused Moses' demands, scoffing at the idea of freeing the Israelites. The Nile, usually a life-giving river, now flowed crimson, a river of blood, the first of the plagues. Fish floated belly up, the stench of decay heavy in the air. Ramses, however, remained unmoved, his pride a fortress against the divine wrath. Then came the frogs, a slithering, leaping tide that engulfed the land. They hopped into homes, crawled into beds, a grotesque parody of life. Still, Ramses refused, his resolve seemingly unshakable. Gnats and flies buzzed in a relentless swarm, stinging and biting, filling the air with a suffocating cloud. The livestock perished, their bodies bloating under the relentless sun. Boils erupted on the skin of men and animals alike, festering sores a testament to divine displeasure. Then came the hail, a furious tempest of ice that shattered crops and buildings, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Locusts, a ravenous horde, descended upon the ravaged land, devouring every remaining plant, leaving behind only barren wasteland. 3 days of impenetrable darkness followed, a terrifying, suffocating void that swallowed the land. Even then, Ramses clung to his stubborn pride. Finally, the 10th plague arrived. The firstborn of Egypt died, a chilling silence falling over the once boisterous land. Only those who had marked their doorposts with lamb's blood were spared. The cries of grief echoed through the night, a mournful symphony of loss. Ramses, witnessing the death of his own son, finally broke. His defiance crumbled, replaced by a crushing grief and fear. He summoned Moses, his voice weak and broken. "Let them go," he whispered, his reign of tyranny finally shattered by the weight of divine retribution. The Israelites, freed from their bondage, began their exodus, leaving behind the ruins of a kingdom broken by the 10 plagues.